Good morning, student. This is Tirupati, Department of Mathematics. In this session, we are going to see 7th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 6, Exponents. We are going to discuss exponents of a rational number. Let us consider few examples of exponents in real life. Exponents are used in a variety of ways. Most often, when talking about very big or small things. Do you know that mass of moon is? How will we read? We can express it in short form as 7.34 multiple 10 power 22 kg. Let us see the another one example. Counting large numbers. Exponents are used when counting things that grow very quickly. For example, the number of bacteria in a single sneeze is between 1 into 10 power 4 and 1 into 10 power 5. Let's see the another example. Earthquakes. Exponents are used to measure the strength of earthquakes. A level 1 earthquake is 1 into 10 power 1. A level 2 earthquake is 1 into 10 power 2. A level 3 is 1 into 10 power cube, etc. Next, how to calculate exponents. 2 power 4. Here, 2 is base. 4 is exponent or index, tells how many times to multiply the base by itself. 2 power 4 means 2 multiply itself 4 times. We get the answer is 16. Let us move to evaluate 1 by 2 whole power 5. Now 1 by 2 whole power 5 means 1 power 5 divided by 2 power 5. 1 by 2 can be written as 5 times. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Then multiply the numbers, we get the answer is 1 by 32. Exponential form. 100. 100 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So 2 squared multiple 5 squared. Exercise 6.1. Express these numbers in exponential form. 288. 288 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 power 5 multiply 3 square. Let's see another one example. Minus 8 divided by 27. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. Here minus 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So minus 2 cube divided by 3 cube. Express the numbers in their exponent forms and write their values. First one, minus 7 whole cube. Minus 7 whole cube means minus 7 multiply itself 3 times. So minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 7, 49. 49 into minus 7, minus 343. Let's see another one example. 1 by 3 whole power 6. 1 by 3 whole power 6 means 1 by 3 multiply itself 6 times. So 1 by 3 write in 6 times. Then multiply the numbers. We get the answer is 1 by 729. Evaluate the following. First one, 10 power 5. 10 power 5 means 10 can be written as 5 times. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Here multiply the numbers. We get the answer is 1 lakh. Then another one, 7 power 4. 7 power 4 means 7 can be written as 4 times. So multiply the numbers. We get the answer is 2401. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube multiple minus 1 by 3 whole power 4. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube means minus 1 by 2 can be written as 3 times. Minus 1 by 3 whole power 4 means minus 1 by 3 can be written as 4 times. Then multiply the numbers. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. We get the answer is minus 1 by 8 multiple minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 equal to, we get the answer is 1 by 81. Then final answer is minus 1 by 648. Let us see laws of exponents. Law 1. Multiplication of numbers with same base and different exponents. If a is a rational number and m and n are positive integer, then a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Let us see example. 2 power 4 into 2 power square. Here use the formula. 2 power 4 into 2 squared equal to 2 power 4 plus 2. Now take left hand side. 2 power 4 into 2 squared. 2 power 4 means 2 can be written as 4 times. So 16. 2 squared means 2 can be written as 2 times. So we get 4. Now 16 fours are 64. Then take RHS side. 2 power 4 plus 2. 2 power 4 plus 2 means 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means 2 multiply itself 6 times. So we get the answer is 64. Now 2 power 4 into 2 squared equal to 2 power 4 plus 2. LHS equal to RHS. Law 1 is verified. Law 2. Division of numbers with same base and different exponents. If a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers such that m greater than n, then a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Let's see one example. 4 cube divided by 4 squared. Here use the formula. 4 cube divided by 4 squared equal to 4 power 3 minus 2. Now take left hand side. 4 cube divided by 4 squared. 4 cube means 4 can be written as 3 times. 4 squared means 4 can be written as 2 times. Now cancel the common factors. We get the answer 4. Now take right hand side. 4 power 3 minus 2. 4 power 3 minus 2 equal to 4 power 1. 4 power 1 means we get the answer 4. Now 4 cube divided by 4 squared equal to 4 power 3 minus 2. So LHS equal to RHS. Law 2 is verified. If a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers such that m less than n, then a power m divided by a power n equal to 1 by a power n minus m. Let's see one example. 3 square divided by 3 power 5. Here use the formula 3 square divided by 3 power 5 equal to 1 by 3 power 5 minus 2. Let's take left hand side. 3 square divided by 3 power 5. Here 3 can be written as 2 times and 3 power 5 means 3 can be written as 5 times. Here cancel the common factors 3. So we get the answer 1 by 27. Now take right hand side. 1 by 3 power 5 minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube means 3 can be written as 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. We get the answer is 1 by 27. Therefore 3 square divided by 3 power 5 equal to 1 by 3 for 5 minus 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Here, law 2 is verified. Law 3, numbers with exponent of an exponent. If A is a rational number and M and N are positive integers, then A power M whole power N equal to A power Mn. Let's see one example. 2 squared whole power cube. Here use the formula 2 squared whole power cube equal to 2 power 6. Now take left hand side. 2 power 2 whole power cube equal to 2 squared into 2 squared into 2 squared. 2 squared means 4. 2 squared means 4. 2 squared means 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now take right hand side. 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means 2 can be written as 6 times. Here multiply the numbers, we get the answer is 64. Therefore 2 squared whole cube equal to 2 power 6. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Here law 3 is verified. Law 4, numbers with 0 as exponent. If A is a rational number, then A power 0 equal to 1. Let's see example. 5 power 5 divided by 5 power 5. A power 0 equal to 1. Here use the formula. 5 power 5 divided by 5 power 5 equal to 5 power 5 minus 5. Here using second law. 5 power 5 0. 5 power 0 equal to 1. Or 5 power 5 divided by 5 power 5 equal to, here 5 can be written as 5 times and also 5 can be written as 5 times. Cancel the common factors 5. We get the answer is 1. Law 4 is verified. Law 5, numbers with negative exponents. If A is a rational number and M is any whole number, then A power minus M equal to 1 by A power M. Example, 6 power 5 divided by 6 power 7. A power minus M equal to 1 by A power M. 6 power 5 divided by 6 power 7 equal to 6 power 5 minus 7. Here using the second law. 6 power 5 minus 7 equal to 6 power minus 2. So 6 power minus 2 can be written as 1 by 6 square, or 6 can be written as 5 times and also 6 can be written as 7 times. Now cancel the common factors 6. We get the answer is 1 by 6 square. Law 5 is verified. Law 6, multiplication of numbers with same exponents. If A and B are rational numbers and M is any whole number, then a power m into b power m equal to a into b whole power m. Example, a equal to 3, b equal to 4, m equal to 2. Here given the values. Now use the formulas. Now take left hand side, a power m into b power m. 3 squared into 4 squared. 3 squared means 3 can be written as 2 times 9. 4 squared means 4 can be written as 2 times 16. Now 9 into 16s are 144. Now take right hand side, a into b whole power m. So 3 into 4 whole squared. 3 4s are 12. 12 squared. 12 squared means 12 can be written as 2 times 144. Therefore, a power m into b power m equal to a into b whole power m. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Now, law 6 is verified. Law 7, division of numbers with same exponents. If a and b are rational numbers and m is any whole number, then a power m divided by p power m equal to a by b whole power m. Example, a equal to 2, b equal to 3, m equal to 4. Here use the formula. Now take left hand side, a power m divided by p power m equal to 2 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 can be written as 4 times. 3 power 4 means 3 can be written as 4 times. So multiply the number 16 divided by 81. Now take right hand side, a by b whole power m, 2 by 3 whole power 4. 2 by 3 whole power 4 means 2 by 3 multiply itself 4 times. So we get the answer is 16 divided by 81. Therefore, a power m divided by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Here, law 7 is verified. Thank you, students.